I put the letter in the mailbox. The painting hangs on the wall. She lives in London. She works in a bank. I'll see you on Monday. She is at the gym. I'm staying at my aunt's house. The conference is in June. The book is on the top shelf. I was born in 1985. The cat is hiding in the box. I saw her at the grocery store. The bus stops at my house. She was born in May. I saw him at the concert. The meeting is scheduled at 2 p.m. I'll be there at 7 o'clock. I left my keys on the desk. The book is on the table. The restaurant is on Maple Street.
Have you enjoyed this video? Then like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.